What's up, people? This is Faiz, inspiring trader. I'll be talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. And yes, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. And every week, at least one video of Nifty and Bank Nifty market analysis will be what you can expect in this channel every week at least. Okay, like every Monday. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell also. So let me take you to this Nifty chart, guys, and let me see how and what are the things which we can see over here. Okay, so we know that there was a massive fall. Now what next? Is it right time to short sell? Is it right time to buy, or is it just to stay away? Or let's do an analysis. Okay, all right, so it has reached at this area. This is in daily time frame. Over here, if you see, so this is the great support which it has taken, and there was a bounce. Okay, there was a bounce, and what is a kind of bounce from this area? It was a very good massive bounce, right? Okay, so what are the previous things which we can see? I always tell people, if there is a consolidation, that is a base. Okay, that's where you have to understand, whenever the market comes at that area, there is a high probability or high chance of bouncing back. Okay, so because look at here, if you see this previous, all this what do you say, see, there was a consolidation here and it reached at this area, and look at the bounce. There was a big massive good bounce, right? So we can expect the same thing, but let's see what are the other stuffs which we can see some few levels. So this is the one resistance. Okay, this resistance. So these are the resistance area also. So what I'll do is I'll take this horizontal line and I will place it over here also. So this can also be the major support area. This shouldn't break. If this is breaking, guys, if this level is taken out from bears, then I'm sure that there's a high probability of Nifty reaching to 14,220. But I think for short term, like for this week, I don't think this is feasible. So it can take at least a good support from this area, so that can be the good buying zone. Okay, so the first support is for this week, is the major good support is this one, this low, this candle's low, which is 15,676. Okay, so this is one area where it has made a very good base. Okay, so we are depending on this base now, that can that area can act as a good bouncing area. All right, so let me take you guys to the hourly time frame, and let's have some good clarity. All right, if you see this is the bounce area, and what are the other areas? Look at here, it has created a very good base, right? So it can also reach until here or this area. I'll just mark it. So this is the good breakout area, and also this one. Oops. Yeah, over here, and over here. So these are the good these are the place where it has bounced previously. So here it was resistance. Very simple analysis, like we make it complicated with too many indicators and all. Even I use indicator. It's not wrong to use indicator, but if you see this price, that is very important. Like if we understand how this price are reacting at some particular level and what kind of formation it creates, then it becomes a little bit more easy. Indicators are just supporting tool over here. So even this is one good support. So right now, I would say that it is not right time to short. Okay, because this is the one support which it has taken. Okay, even if you short and even if it goes below, it can take support at this place. So I don't think there's a good point for us to capture. So rather we can just wait and watch what it is in this particular area. Okay, all right, so what are the resistance, like major resistance? First one is over here, this area, like this one. So this is the major resistance area. Let me make it black. Okay, and let's make it in this way. All right, so this is the major resistance area. And what else? We also have this trend line. All right, like this. So if price is breaking, and if it comes and stays over here, then it is the good time for us to buy, okay, at this area with small stop loss. Or else let us wait and watch if the market comes and if it stays, and if it goes and makes this double bottom, and then from here the buying can come, okay. But we need good confirmation because the market is super bearish. All right, so what are the other areas which we can see? A resistance area, this one, this one. Okay, these are the levels which we will be reviewing in coming next week. So we will see how exactly this has worked. Okay, so yeah, this is the major resistance area for now, because you can see this one, you can see over here, see, yes, what else, over here there was a breakdown, so it means that area is very important for us. Okay, all right, so there was a breakdown. So that is why this is the major area resistance for, I think, maybe this month. We cannot say, not this month. Yeah, how many days we have? Only, I think half of the month has gone. Yeah, this is the major resistance area, and this is the major buying area, which is this one. Now let us see if we have anything for intraday. Okay, so for intraday, I know I'm taking a little bit long time, but I'm sure this will definitely help you out to, create or to learn how exactly we can create, or how exactly we can do analysis. All right. So this is the resistance area, and if price comes here, and if it is breaking at this trend line breakout, I think with this stop loss itself for intraday you can go long, and this will be the target. Okay, this will be the target. Candle must break out from this trend line. This will be the stop loss, and this is for intraday, pure intraday. You can just take chance, and what will be the risk to reward? You can get something around 1:2. Yeah. Okay, so you can look for this. Yeah, this is for intraday, and let's see how it reacts on Monday, Tuesday and all. If it is breaking, as I said, if Nifty is breaking this level, guys, if Nifty is breaking this green buying zone, then I think it can have massive fall. So I believe this week it will have this, it will consolidate at this place, and it may, if it gives a breakout, good time to buy. And if it is shorting, imagine for intraday, yes, you can short over here. Okay, you can short at this place if there is any breakdown from this low, this black line. So above this will be the stop loss, and this will be the target. So now you know that where to short, where to buy. All right then. So let me take you to Bank Nifty. I know we have already spent 9 minutes on this. Let's see, this is the Bank Nifty chart. So I'll take you to the 1 day, and we will see all the major areas. Okay, I'll make it a little bit fast. I know people don't have time to people don't have long time to spend, right? Yeah. So look at this beauty. One major zone over here. This one, this area, and this area, and it is so what we can do is there is also this Friday's low is very important. If that is taken out, then we can see good fall at this place. See, if this low is taken out, I would say this is the good target for intraday, guys. Okay, this is for intraday, and this will be the major. Let me delete all these things. Hold on, guys. Okay, so what did I say? Friday's low is very important. If that is taken out in intraday 15 minutes candle, this can be the target on lower side. So this one, okay, like 32,298 will be the target. So this is, we have very good, it is, I believe this is a good demand zone, okay, for buying. If price comes and stays here, and if you find any setup, it is very good for us to go and take a long position. But for now, what we can do is on Friday, this will be only for an intraday if this low is taken out. So let me take you guys to this 1 hour, and yes, so what are the other stuffs which we can see? The resistance area, I would say this one. Yes, this is the good resistance area. See this area, you know that there was a breakdown, it took support and it bounced, and it has taken support once again, bounced, but there is a breakdown, and again look at this retest, and what happens? It took resistance, isn't it? Yes. So if you find any setup at this place on upper side, this will be the target. Like this resistance area will be the target. Now let us exactly see in 15 minutes what exactly we can see. So here there is no such thing called trend line. If there is trend line, I may say that this is the trend line which we can see, this one. Okay, yeah, this is the trend line, and for intraday this will be the major resistance area. Okay, and as I said, if it is breaking this low, if it is breaking this black line low support area 32,300 is the good shorting opportunity, guys. Okay, here this low has to taken out at least in 15 minutes, then you can go and short. But imagine if you are looking for any buying opportunity, at least I want any trend line to break out, or it has to stay here, consolidate, and then break out. Then we can take for buying area. So this is the analysis. What I believe, I feel this might have given some insight for you guys, that what exactly we can expect. So in case if the price comes and stays here, and if you find any good morning star or any good weapon, like any good bullish candle, below this can be the stop loss, and you can go positional until here. That is my wave. Okay, like 33,900, which is almost 34,000. There will be one pullback is what I believe. So we need price to stay here and consolidate, and then it will go. All right, so for buying, as I said, what do we require here? For buying, we require this trend line. There is no trend line as such, so it has to give any good bullish candle at this place, or it has to stay here. Okay, just giving bullish candle, I don't believe you have to take. It has to stay here, consolidate, make some base, and days high has to taken out. Days high has to taken out, then you can go and buy it for the target of 33,900. And as I said, for short, if it is closing below the Friday's low, then you can short at this place 32,900, and the target will be 32,300. So I hope this might have given some little insight towards this whole week. And in case, imagine if any candle is closing above this resistance area, you know, this can be also the target for this week. So these are the levels which I have given. You can just go and do your own studies. I won't tell you to depend on this studies. Just go and do the same studies, and you can plot all these levels, and this will work very well. That's what I believe. So 35,000 on upper side for this week. As I said, this trend line has to, has to have this breakout and all, but these are all like after 5 days we can expect to reach. But this area like 33,900 and 32,300, this is the area which you have to look for any setup, and I'll be updating in Telegram channel what are the levels which has come, and yes, so I'll update you over there in Telegram channel. So if you like this channel or if you like this video, hit the like button and let me know in the comment box, or you can contact me in Instagram also. And if you have any doubts for levels and also I can help you out in live market also. So let me wind up for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much and sorry for this. I took long period of time, like 15 minutes, but still I believe it will help you out to mold your mindset, how we can draw this trend lines and horizontal lines and see the levels, how it acts. All right, then I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much.